Right here.
Hey.
Thank you.
Okay.
Awesome, thanks.
And you're Garrett.
I am Garrett.
You're Garrett Mitchell.
This is Jason.
This is also Garrett Mitchell.
Yes, I'm
Yes.
also Garrett Mitchell,
Okay.
and we brought the guitar with no strap on it,
Okay.
so that's why I got a stool.
And this is Jason.
I thought you said that was also
But
Garrett.
tonight we're playing as Garrett
Yeah.
Mitchell.
We wanna keep it easy.
The band is actually called Garrett Mitchell.
We're actually in a band called the Bad Birds.
Oh.
but- Thank you.
Some fans.
I'm throwing you all kinds of curveballs and you're going with
I'm,
the Chris's.
I'm into this.
I'm into it too.
Okay, all the way from where?
Atlanta.
All the way from Atlanta. Members of the Bad Birds. This is Jason, but the band is called tonight performing as Garrett Mitchell.
And the Project Mitchell.
That's right. Please put your hands
Hello.
together for Garrett Mitchell.
So So as I said, we're in a band called Bad Birds. We play rock. We play rock and roll, which is usually, with amplifiers and drums and all that stuff. So it's very inappropriate for us to be here doing what we're about to do right now, which is playing the same songs we play normally louder, which makes them sound better, but we're not louder with amps and drums and effects to make us sound better. So you're gonna have to, that's your problem now. So the first song we're gonna play is a Bad Bird song. I wrote it called Till the End, and it's kind of about as you get older and you're struggling to connect with people who matter to you as time and distance separate the people who matter, and you're still like working through the challenge of staying connected through time and space. So here we go.
If I wait forever, if
our 25th year playing together.
Wow.
I don't know if you know that. We started playing together in 2001, 3?
You're rounding up. It was 2002, so
Sorry.
24 years.
How old are you?
I know. How old are you?
We're dating.
I'm 25.
6? Yeah.
I just turned 40, thanks.
Rubbing it in. Yeah, I'm a few months behind that, but it's creeping up on me. And on that note, a few of the songs I've written have been kind of about like dealing with aging, because you know when 40 comes up on you, you're like, oh I can't get away with stuff that. Yeah, everything just goes. So one of those things you grapple with is kind of like feeling isolated, because as you get older, like people stop caring. No one asks you what your favorite color or your favorite dinosaur is. You're like alone, and you have to like. Your wife goes to bed, and you're like, okay, what do I do now? Like, do I watch TV or do I go to bed and be responsible? This song's called "Gone," and it's kind of about sort of just when you feel isolated and you don't know how to deal with that, and you're reaching out to people, and there are people around you sometimes and sometimes not, but you're just kind of grasping at straws for that sense of connection, and kind of just grappling with that, and that's what this song is about. I don't think I ever told him that, even though like he's in my band and we recorded this song.
I'm glad we did that.
Yeah. We made an album called Flightless. It's on Spotify and all that stuff, so if you want to look it up, check it out. But Bad Birds. I'm Garrett, this is Jason. This song's called Gone. I've been wandering ever, but never get lost. Afraid of the question, afraid of the cost. I'm afraid to be honest, but have I been true? 'Cause everything I've ever wanted was you, but I'm gone. And I'm gone. Sit with me silently, sing with me loud. Make me feel empty or make me feel proud. Please just make me feel anything. Try to be strong. We're fighting and righting the things that went wrong, but I'm gone. And I'm gone. Oh, carry me home, safe from the waves on the shore. Oh, burn out the cold, don't disappear anymore. Reach out to me when I reach out to you. Rusted and ragged, I'm old and undue. I've been dying to tell you what no words could say. Till I have nothing, I'll give it away till I'm gone. And I'm gone. Oh, carry me home, safe from the waves on the shore. Oh, burn out the cold, don't disappear anymore. Oh, carry me home, safe from the waves on the shore. Oh, burn out the cold, don't disappear anymore.
sunshine and rain, counting the hours and drowning the pain, watching the sky holding out for a sign. I'll stand at the edge of the world on my own till you're by. I've been wandering ever, still trying to find the things that were cold and the things left behind. And I try to be honest, but have I been true? 'Cause everything I ever wanted was you, but I'm gone, and I'm
Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for having us. We've been to a bunch of shows here together and love this place, this stage, and our first time playing here. So thank you, Chris. Thank you guys for having us.
Garrett Mitchell and the Garrett Mitchell.